Oh man. So yeah, I'm really getting sick and tired of eBay. I've had back-to-back returns on the last two or three items that were delivered to the buyer. They all immediately open returns. This is getting old, and it's getting old fast. And actually one of them opened a return because they're either completely illiterate or too lazy to read the listing, because they opened a return because they thought they were buying something that they weren't even buying. I don't understand how they even thought that.